what's up guys? I'm here with some more Ghosts with my brother this time.
Yep.
This is Team Deathmatch. You might have saw me doing this online on my own, but this is... What was I going to say? What was I going to say? Sneezed. What was I going to say? What was I going to What was I going to say? Oh yeah, you might have seen me doing this online, on my own, but this is with bots offline with David, so it's completely different.
Yeah,
So, hope you enjoy. I'll sit back, chillax, and enjoy. I don't know why. I don't know why I say that. Or say that. Oh, I don't know. Guys.
maybe because it's a very fucking love song.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. Through the fire, burn.
Hold on, assist. He did. Fred! Oh, record and stuff. You can't see on David's screen. Sorry guys, you shouldn't see on David's screen for half that. Come on guys, come on, run in for the till.
Wait.
That hurt you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, come on guys, what are we doing? We're losing guys by 3 kills, come on. We're better than this. We know we are. Ah, no, we're not. Ended very quickly. Guys. One of your teammates just molested my teammate. Or it's the other way around, I don't know. Fucking molested, mate. Fucking molested. Come on, guys.
Okay, come back. No.
I did two sack toms. I had a tear package, guys. 2 sack toms. I know where everyone is.
What, both from the care package or one that from your kill streak?
One from my kill streak, one from my tear package. And now I did a guard dodge. Where's Mr. Dobby? Behind me. Guys, we're doing well. Doing well.
Have a little. Fuck's sake. Comment hashtag poor me.
Yeah.
If you
No! I was one away from the Trinity rocket.
If you hate colds.
Guys, I was one away from the Trinity rocket, which is like airstrike. And I jumped off the cliff.
Guys, if you hate having colds, comment. Comment hashtag pray for colds to donate £1 towards me.
Bloody frick. Yes, killed him, guys. Killed him. Killed him. Killed him.
You sucked it. You know you do. You find it delicious. It's okay.
Ah, David just killed the fuck out of me. Your team aren't ready for what's happening next. Team Alpha dies. Plan 200 Alpha. Alright, it's worked. Donate! Donate! Got off. I saw it running, but I ran into it more night. Oh, Team Alpha failed. Alright. What's this one then be called, guys? Ash. I don't need to worry. Team kill other... steals other team, yeah? Steals other team.
Guys, this place, Prone here, is an amazing infected spot. If we just keep looking that way, it's the only way they'll forget you.
This is Squadron A doing homicidal attack. Okay, we're calling it that. Hammer needs help. Hammer needs help over here. Hammer needs help. Come on, Squadron A. Squadron A, you're amazing. I need to reload. So I'm gonna smoke myself out. Smoke myself out. Reload. Oh, fuck it. Throw a donate down there. Whoa! Fuck me, yeah, not with explosions. Come on, Squadron
Maybe
Alpha.
you didn't realise, did you?
What?
You blew me up.
Oh. Squadron Alpha is working. Squadron Alpha is a dough. This is working amazing so far. Squadron Alpha is a dough. I have no equipment left. But Squadron Alpha will work. Squadron Alpha's working here. Guys, it is working.
Is it still recording?
Yeah, I'm at 10 minutes. Squadron Alpha. We see a person. We chin a person. Come on, guys. We're doing so well. Ah, no. Someone came up behind me. We're not doing well anymore.
Oh, shit.
Ah.
Oi! Oi!
Grenade attack. See if you see this grenade coming in. And there's 2 smoke bombs. See if you see them. Guys, we're going in for the kill. Will we be able to beat Squadron Team Beast? Yes, we will! Oh, he also had a donate apparently. We're Strawdom Beast, and we are Beast. We will win this mighty war. We're still losing though, this mighty war. Damn. Ash. Mighty war. Come on, guys, we can beat them. We're 5 kills away. 5. Hummer, you did good job at turning him there. Ah, no.
Yes,
They got revenge there. Sniping. Killed. There's a dead body behind me. Voltrix was good today. Ah, they're coming in there many. There was still some. There's like 400 of them. I killed 2 of them. I watched one of them die. This was a great war.